to promote its ideals and objectives, and the fulfillment of the spirit and letter of its Constitution and bylaws. And I hereby declare that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Pledge of loyalty, in gratitude to my alma mater, I do hereby pledge my undivided loyalty to her ideals, promising always to uphold her standards and traditions, and to endeavor to do my duty to my country and my people, wherever I may be, to the best of my ability, ever remembering that in so doing, I shall have lived up to her highest and fullest expectations, and shall have made myself a worthy son, daughter of her, my alma mater, the Mapua University. Congratulations, graduates, and welcome to our National Association of Mapua Alumni. We encourage you to stay connected with our alma mater through NAMA and engage actively, participate in our events, and contribute to our alumni community in whatever ways you can. Lastly, I'm inviting you to NAMA's 90th Grand Alumni Homecoming on May 18, 2024 at Marriott Grand Ballroom, Newport World Resorts. See you there! Viva Mapua! Congratulations.
And now the graduates, together as one, we join the singing of our Mapua hymn.